Welcome to Ask NCM. I'm Steve Hall with the NCM Institute. I was sitting in a 20 group, that's actually a fixed operations 20 group the other day with a group of managers, and we got on the conversation about repair order count. And some of them were kind of running to get some challenges on increasing repair order count, which is a little bit odd because we've had such robust vehicle sales for the last several years. It should be a natural thing that just happens. So one of two things is happening here. Either we're losing customers faster than we're gaining the new ones, or we're possibly not retaining the new customers quick enough with this. So this got us onto a conversation, and it brought me up, I brought up a question to them. I just asked, how many vehicles did you sell yesterday? Well, this group of fixed managers, service managers, they really couldn't tell me. I said, why not? If we think about it, whenever we sell a car, we did make a vehicle sale, but really we made a new service customer. And if you had a new service customer, parts customer, wouldn't you want to know that? Wouldn't you want to meet them? Now, we've talked about introductions off and on for years as far as how do we get these customers tied into our service department. The problem is we do a lot of talking, we don't do a lot of action. So my question is, are you willing to take the time to make sure you're getting introduced to every sales customer? If the salesperson themselves is struggling and not bringing the customers back to meet you because they're crunched on selling time, they're trying to reduce the transaction time on this, as a service manager, parts manager, fixed director, body shop manager, why don't you go up to them and meet them? Watch for the delivery whenever the delivery module is going on and go over and take the initiative to meet them. If you don't meet them, try to get a list every single morning of the vehicles that were sold and delivered the prior day. If you didn't get to meet the people, take the initiative in order to reach out to them and introduce yourself. Possibly even record a little short video about your service department and how to use it, where to go, where to pull into, when the first service is expected for your vehicle, for your manufacturer, those type of things with it. But you've got to take this upon yourself to make it happen. You know, we talk about this with the variable departments, and we get the head nod. They say, yeah, this is something we need to do. Yeah, we're going to do it. And then ultimately, it doesn't happen. Talk with the service managers. They say, yeah, this is something we need to do, but you know, sales just doesn't do it consistently. Well, at some point, you got to quit relying on the other person. If you want to grow your customer count, if you want to grow your service and fixed operations, you've got to take the initiative to make sure that those customers that they're handing you every single month actually make it into your fold of customers. Take the time to follow up with them, make it convenient, make it interactive, and just make it happen. If you do, you will grow your customers, grow your customer base and your customer pay in your department a lot faster than the other departments will. That's what it's all about. We're in growth mode. We should be. If you have a negative count, fix this problem, fix this process, and make your department grow and prosper. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this Ask NCM.